Hey good people, so today we will be making some faux leather fringe earrings or tassel earrings. So grab you some faux leather, some scissors, some paint if you like, and let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to take our faux leather and then we're going to cut it down to size, and then we're going to start making our fringes. Okay, so the pieces that I'm cutting are at least 7 inches long and at least 6 inches wide per piece, and you will need 2 of those. Following step after we cut the fringes should have been before cutting the fringes. I apologize for that, but I kind of felt like I would like the white by itself, but when I looked at it I didn't. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So now that we have cut it out, we're just gonna add a little something to give it a little pop, because it looks just a little bit plain to me. So I want to do a little something to spice it up a little bit. So I did a little test to see how well the paint would hold up on this fabric. I kind of like the results that I got, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little paint splatter. So we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna go into our hardware portion of the video. I forgot to mention that these square pieces are actually a broken belt that I had, and I thought that I'd use them for this design. So now that we got our hardware portion, we are going to actually take our fringe and we're going to roll it together. We're going to get our glue stick and just create a seam that's neat, and then we're going to go on into rolling it together. So now that we have everything rolled up, we are actually going to add our hardware. We'll be using a hot glue gun instead of stitching these pieces on for the purpose of the video. So now we're gonna just kind of like eliminate some of this chain because it is super long. So we're gonna just take some of the links out. And there you have it. We are done. So our design is complete and I had fun creating. As always, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to get more tutorials from me. I appreciate it. I love you guys. And as always, thank you for subscribing. Have a blessed day.